Antiques Roadshow has become a staple for audiences and a goldmine for families for nearly half a century. Television producer Richard Osman shared the hidden truth about one of the BBC's most watched shows as he dished on the behind-the-scenes secrets of Antiques Roadshow. The former Pointless presenter, 53, revealed it can be a challenge to get your item on screen as the show goes through a lengthy vetting process. It comes after a listener wrote to the Rest is Entertainment podcast, presented by Richard and journalist Marina Hyde, asking if people were invited onto the Sunday evening staple. Richard, who is known for producing shows including Deal or No Deal, admitted it is rare for audience members to get on screen. To actually get on camera is quite rare on those programs, Richard explained. It will be because the item is unusual, the item is expensive, or the item has a great story behind it. He recalled, and the most expensive item I can find is somebody who just bought something in a shop and a researcher looked at it and has gone, I think this is interesting. They had gone up to the producer and said, I think this is interesting, and had gone to the expert for somebody who had paid £400 for a painting. This was in Bristol. They had bought a painting in a thrift shop and it was a £400,000 Van Dyck. His co-host Marina gasped, as Richard continued, but that was just somebody turning up with a painting under their arm and suddenly they're £400,000 richer. They might have had an idea, but almost all of that show is people bringing things in. But there is a process that you go through before you are put on camera. Viewers keen to showcase items on Antiques Roadshow can apply for free tickets by visiting the official BBC website. According to their website, you can also use the Share Your Story link on the website to send in photos and information about your items in advance to help the show choose what to look at on the day. The show is interested in a wide range of items, including antiques, family heirlooms, retro toys, movie and music memorabilia, mid-century furniture, vintage fashion, designer handbags, and rare trainers.
Déjame llorar, déjame soñar contigo, déjame sentir que soy tu señor, tu amigo. Déjame volar con el pensamiento a tu dulce nido, te daré calor en la oscuridad si te falta abrigo, te daré calor en la oscuridad si te falta abrigo. Qué bonito fuera si me quisieras tan solo un poco, qué bonito fuera si me quisieras un poco más. Con esos ojazos, tu pelo suelto, tu piel morena, tu voz melodiosa, la más hermosa, qué guapa estás. Te envidian las flores, dan tus colores por tu cantar. Déjame llorar, déjame soñar contigo, déjame sentir que soy tu señor, tu amigo. Déjame volar con el pensamiento a tu dulce nido,